How to create an OKX account. Step-by-step guide for beginners. With promo code 8,842,121. Are you ready to step into the exciting world of cryptocurrency trading? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create your OKX account quickly and easily, even if you're a complete beginner. Whether you're exploring crypto for the first time or searching for a reliable platform with low fees, high liquidity, and multiple trading options, OKX is a fantastic choice. From spot and futures trading to options and more, OKX gives you all the tools you need to start trading with confidence. We'll go step by step, so you don't miss a thing. Here's what you'll learn in this video. 1 day how to register on OKX using the official website or my exclusive invitation link in the description. 2 how to enter the promo code 8,842,121 the referral field to claim your mystery box bonus. 3 how to set your country, agree to the terms, create a strong password, and verify your account. Email or phone confirmation steps. 5 completing KYC identity verification using your passport or driver's license. 6 how to enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, for maximum security. Once your account is activated, you'll be ready to explore the platform, test out different trading methods, and keep up with the latest market news. Pro tip: always activate 2FA right after signing up to protect your funds. This extra step only takes a minute but adds powerful security to your account. Don't forget, use promo code 8842121 when you sign up to unlock your exclusive bonus. It's your chance to start trading with an extra reward. Sign up now using my link in the description and take your first step into the crypto market with confidence. Let's start trading smart together. Number OKX, number OKX, exchange, number crypto trading, number OKX, promo code number crypto for beginners, number OKX tutorial, number OKX bonus,